sincere attempt to make eating salad a little more fun. This is a sliced steak salad, and it's great for meat and potato lovers because we're gonna add some barbecue potato chips to our salad. At the bottom of the bowl, we have smoky chipotle. I like the chipotle Tabasco sauce. You could also use a little bit of pureed chipotle and adobo. So you put in chipotle and you balance the chipotle Tabasco with the sweetness of the honey. You've got a little bit of onion and garlic flavor with the grated shallot and garlic. And our vinegar of choice, I liked a good old apple cider vinegar for this. I like that slightly sweet aspect in marrying it to our chipotle pepper sauce. Now our greens, I got your basic crunchy romaine, right? And then I'm gonna mix in some nice spicy watercress or upland cress. You could also use baby arugula, but I really love the spice of watercress or upland cress to go along with the flavor of that smoky steak because it's peppery and just really delicious. I don't like to fold this all together until the last minute because those greens are so delicate if you add cress to it. So I'm just gonna leave it all assembled and then toss it all together right when we're ready to serve. Then we've got our pickled jalapeno peppers. I know. And then, well, we are eating a salad, so we don't have to feel too bad about having some cheese. So we're gonna add in some shredded pepper jack and some smoked sharp cheddar. My God, tell me you wouldn't eat this salad. You don't like salad? Oh, take that. Now we're pretty much ready. We'll throw the chips in as our crouton at the end. Let's get the meat off. And don't forget, we're gonna top it with pickled onions as well. So let's get the meat off so we can let it rest. Remember, we cooked this just a few minutes on each side, these beautiful skirt steaks. And flank is also delicious as well. And we're just gonna let that rest. Here's how I layer this salad up. I'm going to mix in the crunchy barbecue potato chips in a layer of the salad so they don't get too soggy, because these are our croutons, right? Our smoky barbecue chips. A little bit more salad on top of those, kind of tucking them around so we don't lose all that crunch. A couple little extra dudes around the edges. Then we took our steak, skirt steak, flank steak, flat iron, or hanger. All of them work, whatever has the best price. A few minutes on each side, let it rest, then slice. Then you take your steak, pop that on top of your salad. I know, it's good. And then we take our quick pickled red onions and pile those down over top of that whole mess. Now, if you think you don't like salad, you're wrong, because look at that. Just saying.